So that's what it is,
Okay.
regular maintenance. So this is the work centers which we wanted to make. So we discussed that for regular maintenance, we need these are the persons or manpower, whatever you call persons or personal. You can say man personal. This many people will be required. So so many manpower will be required, and we have we have to create MV04. So let us straight go and create the function location. So I'm sorry, we are creating work center, not function location. So we are creating work center. So we can create this work center by this plant maintenance, management of technical objects, environment work centers. This is the path. I'm showing you the path. And the transaction code is IR01. Logistics and plant maintenance, management of technical objects, and environment
Work centers,
work centers,
environment, work centers.
work center IR01 through. So this is where we are. So
Yes.
this is this. We had almost created the work center yesterday. Okay. So
Okay.
MV04
So, excuse me. So you can only create a work center if a plant is already created. You create a work center under the plant, right?
yes, we always have to create a work center on the plant.
Okay. Okay.
This plant is
Oh,
there in all the transactions.
yes.
Whether you create equipment or whether you create function location. After this,
Yeah.
we will see how to create equipment.
Okay.
No,
Oh, all right.
wherever, whatever transaction you use, in that almost in all the transactions you get this plant.
Okay.
So this is very important plant.
Okay. Okay.
So enter everything works. This is very important.
Mm,
This I did
that's
not fill, so that error is coming.
yeah. Yeah.
Work center category.
Mm,
Now I am working 005 I have. Uh, regular maintenance. Regular maintenance. Regular maintenance. Maybe it is electrical or it may be whatever it is. Regular maintenance. Anyway. So here I have to take So person responsible, you can take, you wish to. There are many persons. You can take any house if you can take location and all that you can take, but I'm not taking. You can take location. If you wish to take location, you can take. This is important. Usage is important. This is a mandatory thing. You should do for. This is very only maintained classes. So this we have to take for our plant maintenance.
Okay.
Other fields are for other modules. These others are for other modules. Only network for
Mhm.
process, for ES module is for QM module like that. For us,
Okay.
only task. This is for the PM module. And
Okay.
SAP 0, no standard values also we should do. That we took yesterday. And we go to the next tab. These are called tabs. These are called tabs. And these are called fields. Control key, standard text key, suitability, all these things are fields. And
Okay.
this is sub-screen. These are called screens. Operation default value is a screen. Unit of measurement this is a screen. You can call them screen, sub-screen.
Okay.
So control key is important. Yesterday also we have discussed. Uh, there are two things which we should know: internal maintenance and external maintenance. Yesterday we had discussed internal manpower,
Sorry,
internal
can I move on?
and external means contractor manpower. So
Mm.
we will take internal at present and capacities. We had gone to capacities here.
Mm.
Setup formula is not required. These are for the PP module actually. So we
Okay.
are not filling up these fields. That is why we are not
Okay.
filling these fields. This is not,
Okay.
these fields are not meant for plant maintenance module.
Okay.
That's why I'm not filling them.
Okay.
Because if they are mandatory, I have to fill something.
Okay.
Otherwise, I don't have to fill. So now I will go into capacity. This header. Here I am. So I will get this. Huh. Yeah. So we were here. You are able to hear me, no?
I'm here. I can hear you.
Ah, yeah. So we went into that header.
Mm.
See the capacity header.
Yes.
See, wherever that hat will come no, in SAP, I mean to say, this hat, wherever you see this icon, hat icon,
Yes.
that is called
Yes.
header in SAP.
Okay. Okay.
So you can see here header.
I can see. I can see.
So this is the one. Capacity planner group we had filled. That's why it has come. Basic unit of measurement,
Yes. That was.
hours. Can be H or it can be HR also.
Mm.
Anyway, we are starting at 8 and ending at 5 o'clock, our job.
Yes. Plenty of
And
break.
mean and 1 hour break is there, so like 8 hours.
Mm.
And individual capacities were 4 actually. Yes, they were 4. So we will
Okay.
put here 4, not 1.
Okay.
So we will enter. See, the system has calculated the capacity of the
Yeah.
work center. Okay.
Mhm.
So this is what it is.
Mhm.
Now, there is a field called HRMS. If
Mm.
HR is activated, we'll get, we can fill up this data also, HR data. If HR is activated, HR
Mm.
module is active.
Mhm.
So here I think it is activated. So I drop down, I get person, I click on the person.
Mm.
I have to search. So Aaron, one person is Aaron. So see, you got Aaron here. Like that, I will have to select all the persons. No problem. So, I don't want this. Okay, now it's fine. So I will go to HRMS. Where is HRMS?
Okay.
Let's see. Yeah, I will take the second person. Star means it will give all the persons actually. Aleya. Okay, Aleya. Already it has taken. So I have to pick only one, otherwise it will not take. If I would have, if it would have taken all the person at a time, it would be better. But in this system,
Okay.
it is not taking.
Okay.
Otherwise, I could have clicked all the persons at a time. I will click somebody with C, A, star, C, A star. Now we will this Campbell. And N, S star. Maybe there are somebody with S. There is no one with S.
So you can just put and start.
N star. Nios, Nios.
Okay.
So these four people are there.
That's it.
But now I will go back. Now this icon you see, this is check icon.
Mhm.
I have to click
Okay.
on this. This is called
Okay.
check. If everything
Okay.
is okay, it will tell everything is okay. Something is not okay, then it will tell
Okay.
okay. Values were set from default person. Anyway. They will set from the forwards. But this I will tell afterwards. See, all these things are there. Okay, fine. Huh? Now I will save it.
Okay.
I have saved it. So MV04 was has been created. If I want to view this, I can press IR03 and I have to put plant and suppose I don't put the plant, then maybe it will give error because the same name can be there in a different plant. That's why it will give error. See, it will give error. So we should give the plant. So it will give the information, whatever we have. So this is how we create the plan. Sorry, this is how we create the
Create a work center.
maintenance work center.
Yeah.
Or you can call it as a work center also. In PP module, they call it as a work center. In our module, we call it as a maintenance work center. That is the only difference. But it is same.
Okay.
There is another called so have you understood this thing?
Yes, I've so I tried checking through everything that we did yesterday, and I think I know how to navigate. The only thing I could not remember is how to show the T codes, how to allow the T codes to show. Yeah.
Correct. Okay. You do one thing. You please share your screen with me. I will log out. I will just log out. You share your screen with me. I will help.
Okay.
I will help you out. You share your screen. I will stop.
Can you see my screen now?
Yes. I'm getting those.
So this is what I'm talking about.
1
So
minute.
here,
Yeah. Correct. Now what will you do? You go in extras.
Extra.
At the top, you can see menu, edit, favorites.
Yes, I've seen it. Extra.
Go in extras. So, no. Okay. You go in settings.
Okay.
Settings.
Okay.
Okay. There you have to pick technical names.
Names.
Display technical names.
Okay.
Yeah. Now you see. Now again see.
Yes. So I have to go back. I have to go to finance. I have to go to management of technical center of objects. I have to go to environment. Go to work centers. Yes, it's showing now.
It's showing. It's showing the T code also.
Yes, it's showing it.
So it will be like that. Now you don't have to do anything.
Yes.
Uh,
Mm.
Once you set, no, it will remain set. You don't have to do anything else.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So,
This is the
so
initial setting.
in my own session, like I said, I could not create any work center because I'll have to create a maintenance
Okay, you
plan
can
for
create it
myself.
today or tomorrow. You
Okay.
can create
Okay.
today or
Yes,
tomorrow.
I'll try after this class.
And
I'll
I will
try.
also send you this notes also I will send.
Okay.
This notes also I will send so that it
Okay.
will become easy for
Okay.
you. Now you
Oh,
stop sharing.
okay. No problem. Thank you. I've stopped.
Okay, now I will start sharing. Where is my screen? Here. Yes, share. Fine. We have come up to here. Now another thing is default work center. That also we have to check. Default work center. What is default work center? Suppose we have to create many work centers and the data
Okay.
is similar.
Okay.
Suppose we have to create about 50 work centers.
Okay.
In that case, how to create? So for that, we can make a default work center.
Yeah.
That so how
One
to make
copy.
that default work center? We will see.
Mm.
That we will get in this work center configuration. Okay,
Okay.
we will see the configuration first, and then in the
Mhm.
last we'll get that default work center.
Okay.
So work center types and link to tasks. This we'll see first. Yes. Now we are going in SPR, the transaction for customization SPR.
Okay. Okay.
Now we will see the back end of the
Okay.
work center.
Mm,
So here the path I have given,
mm,
SAP reference IMG, plant maintenance, current customer service, maintenance plans, work center, general data. Here, get. So plant maintenance here, uh, here, work centers, here,
okay.
maintenance plants, work center, plus UPRs. Here you have to click, and here you see work centers are there.
Mm,
I think general data. So yeah, general data. Define work center types and link to task list application. So these are the types of work centers. This is the category of work center. I have taken 005A. 005A is here. You can take any other work center also, but it should be plant
mhm.
maintenance.
Okay.
See the screens which I have taken. See machine group. Either it should be labor for our use. For plant maintenance, it should be either labor or it can be PL
Okay.
in our case, which should not be machine. Machine is for PP module. So I have taken plant maintenance. So sorry, this screen I have taken. This this is number 3 screen. No? He has he has configured like that. Somebody else has configured. So they have configured this labor. So that is why I have taken. This is also labor. Anyway, this is how it is. And there is something application. Let's click on this. So it will show it is for which application. So this is for maintenance task list, that is our application, and also for repetitive manufacturing. Repetitive manufacturing is in PP module. It is in production planning. So we can take this. So we have taken this. So and if you want to customize also, you can go into new entries and make. Now it is not required, so I am not going into this new entry. The next thing is define field selection. This we will see while taking function locations. We'll see this.
Yeah, I can see. I can see.
You can see this screen.
Define,
And
define. Yeah, I can see the screen. I can see the screen.
you can see it. You can see this.
I can see. I can see it. Can you hear me?
Yes, I'm getting.
Go ahead.
This is
Please go
actually
ahead.
this is a Word file. This is a Word file. This is not the system. You can see this Word file. You can't see the Word file.
Yes. Yes.
You can see the Word file. What is what I'm showing? I'm not
I can
showing you the
see.
system. Okay, okay. Okay, you can see the screen. SAP.
Yes.
Anyway, in this, what is important is this. You create default work center. You can create a default work center. Here you see, we have to enter our plan. I am entering 1000, which is my plant. Work center category also, we have to enter 005. So for this category and this plant, it is making a default work center. So it is already available because already I have created it. So what I have written, default work center I have written. So for this plant and this category, I have got default work center. Then default values are there, and capacities are there, capacity header is there. All these things have been filled. Scheduling is there. So with the help of this default work center, I will try to create a work center. I will show you. I have already made this default work center. So same IR01. Hmm. So I'm again creating. I'm going to create. Now what I will do? I will use my default workspace. Of course, I have to give some name. Maybe I will give MV05, we said. 05. Copy from, copy from
Okay.
reference work center.
Okay.
So in the reference work center, it was plant was 1000.
Yeah.
I didn't give any name to that. I gave some name. Gave some before. Now I have seen that. Okay, anything. We gave only these two. There is no, say, this is blank. This
Okay.
field is blank. So there is no name here.
Okay.
So I cannot give any name. But with it has got a, this plant has got a reference work center. That time. Now I want to create MV05 with the help of this. Okay, copy from there. Now I'll click enter. Oh, what center category? I forgot to enter. 005. See, it has copied everything. It has copied all the data. See, values were set from the default work center.
Okay.
The values were set from the default work. So we got all these values from the
Okay.
default work center. So we can make many work centers in this way.
I just
See
copying.
the advantages. So I will make a work center. So that was regular maintenance. So I will tell that this is breakdown maintenance. Breakdown. Breakdown maintenance. So we said that we will make for breakdown maintenance. MV06 we will make this one. Okay, we are making MV05. Doesn't matter. Default values also it has copied M01. Capacities also it will copy 002. See capacities also it has copied. I mean this it will show one capacity utilization will always be 100. This we have to fill because there in the default work center it was 1. So it has
Yes.
copied 1.
Okay.
We will require 5. So we will make it 5.
Okay.
Whatever we require, we can change it. So it
Mhm.
becomes 40.
31 hours.
The rest, all the information has been copied
Okay.
from the default version. So scheduling, the scheduling we will go. See, scheduling also it has copied. Labor, category it has copied. It has copied everything. This costing we don't have to fill up. Okay. Cost center also it has filled up. Costing, cost center. It has filled the cost center also. So we can just save it.
I'm
So it's,
okay.
I just have to save. HRMS also we can check. I will check. Data should do payroll. Pay management. I mean, who is paying? Data I am reading. In HR. The HR module is active here. That's why. MB04. Now I will save it. Now again I will click on this. It will say data is complete. So I can save. So save it. So this work center is created.
Okay.
I have created this by default work center.
Work center. See, help is also available here. If you press help now, you can see configure screen sequence for work center.
In this step, you determine the screen selection for each work center category you control. Means whether the screen selection should be like this or this should be the top or something like that. You can, not very important.
Okay.
But 5A, what is the screen selection? Okay, basic data. All these screens will be there. All the screens we have seen. Okay. We have selected all the screens. So that is the customizing part of this. So now have you got any questions or I will send this file to you and you have to create work centers. You
Okay.
can create at least 3 work centers, that will be better. Otherwise, at least you create one. If you create 3, it is better.
Okay.
You create one for electrical, one for mechanical, and one for instrumentation.
Okay.
Work centers. Okay. I will send this file to you. This file.
Okay.
I will stop sharing here.